coming to you with a live and tutorial on this wonderful curling wand that I purchased just recently. The brand is Vivitar. It's actually one of a kind in my opinion. Now it doesn't have any of the thermometer temperatures. Excuse our little infant baby over there. It doesn't have any thermometer temperatures as far as like 200 to 400 and so forth. It does, however, have the on and off feature. You can see it in the video. It has an on and off feature. Later on, I will show you how good this curling wand works on my doll head, because I did do mine earlier. However, it did fall, and I have, just brushed through it since then. So I will let you guys know my secret on this beauty genius magic wand and where I purchased it at and how much I got it for at the end of this video. Let's get started. Now, I'm not a hairstylist, but I know how to wand some hair. And as you can see, these curls do look really nice. And this is the Vivitar wander I was telling you guys about. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pull these curls.
Cheers and courtesy to Stella Rosa, the best wine on the planet. Let's get that here.
The Vivitar curling wand, and I did purchase this curling wand for $9.99 at my local City Trends. Now, after I did my research, I didn't do research beforehand, but after I did my research, I found that this wand usually costs about $15 or more. They do have them on sale right now at a couple websites for around $6.89 to $8 to $9, which is, I guess, how I caught mine at the price I did for $9.99. They do have them at Walmart, possibly Sally's, but they do have also some brushes, like heat brushes, like straightening brushes that are for frizzy hair, curly hair, straight hair, any type of hair. You should try those out as well. So I definitely will be getting some more Vivitar products, especially at the price that they are. They are, economy friendly, and they work very good. The look you're looking to go for, you're gonna get at the price that you're looking for. I will be doing some more videos soon. If you have any questions, comment below. Again, this is the Vivitar curling wand. I will put that in the description below. The curling wand I'm using, the Naomi doll that I am using, and the Stella Rosa wand that did make a feature in this video this evening. Again, thank you guys, and have a wonderful evening. Toodles.